These 6 tools might just revolutionize how you build with AI, cutting integration time by up to 40%. Imagine tools that seamlessly streamline your workflow, making complex tasks as easy as pie. Let's dive into the first tool, DVC, which can significantly reduce iteration time in machine learning projects. DVC is an open-source version control system that manages large datasets and models efficiently. By integrating seamlessly with Git, DVC allows you to version control data pipelines without storing large files in the repository. Typical use cases for DVC include managing datasets larger than 10 gigabytes and automating model retraining workflows. With DVC, you can automate and streamline your model retraining workflows, saving both time and resources. By managing data and models effectively, DVC helps reduce iteration time by keeping everything organized and accessible. Welcome to Tool 2, MLflow, a powerful platform designed to streamline the machine learning lifecycle. From experimentation to deployment, MLflow offers a versatile solution that supports any machine learning library and programming language. MLflow is like a central hub for all your machine learning needs. It tracks experiments, manages models, and records metrics all in one place, making it easier for teams to collaborate effectively. One of the standout features of MLflow is its ability to significantly reduce deployment times. Users have reported a 30% reduction, allowing them to get their models into production faster. Imagine MLflow as a bridge connecting the different stages of the machine learning process. It ensures that all parts of your workflow are seamlessly integrated, from initial experiments to final deployment. MLflow also supports collaboration for teams of 5 or more, providing a shared space where team members can access experiments, models, and metrics easily. The flexibility of MLflow is one of its key strengths. Whether you're using TensorFlow, PyTorch, or any other library, MLflow integrates seamlessly, adapting to your specific needs. By providing a central repository and reducing deployment times, MLflow empowers teams to focus more on innovation and less on logistics. Imagine a team celebrating their streamlined process, ready to tackle new challenges. Kubeflow is a powerful machine learning toolkit designed specifically for Kubernetes. It allows teams to create scalable and portable machine learning workflows with ease. By reducing deployment complexity by 50%, Kubeflow makes it much easier for teams using containerized microservices architectures to manage their machine learning models. Kubeflow pipelines are a key feature, streamlining the orchestration of complex workflows. They can efficiently support models with more than 100 parameters. Imagine the flexibility of deploying large-scale models across different environments without the usual headaches. Kubeflow brings this vision to life. Teams can focus on innovation rather than managing infrastructure, thanks to Kubeflow's seamless integration with Kubernetes. With Kubeflow, machine learning workflows become not only portable, but also scalable, adapting to the needs of any project size. Kubeflow stands out as a key tool for any team looking to leverage Kubernetes for machine learning, making workflows more efficient and less complex. Welcome to Tool 4, Weights and Biases, a powerhouse for over 200,000 developers worldwide. This suite excels in tracking experiments, visualizing metrics, and fostering collaboration with teammates. Weights and Biases allows for real-time collaboration, significantly reducing debugging time by tracking every run of a machine learning model. Its seamless integration with Jupyter Notebooks and TensorBoard is a game changer. One of the standout features of Weights and Biases is its ability to handle datasets up to 1 terabyte, making it a robust tool for large-scale machine learning projects. Imagine a scenario where your team can instantly see the results of experiments and make data-driven decisions quickly. Weights and Biases turns this into a reality. The integration with Jupyter Notebooks allows for a smooth workflow, enabling developers to track experiments without leaving their favorite environment. With Weights and Biases, the collaboration is not just about sharing results, but enhancing them through collective insights, making it an indispensable tool for modern developers. Overall, Weights and Biases empowers developers to streamline their machine learning workflows, making it an essential part of any data scientist's toolkit. Apache Airflow is a powerful platform used to programmatically author, schedule, and monitor workflows. Its DAG-based scheduling allows for complex dependencies, making it easier to manage intricate workflows. One of the standout features of Apache Airflow is its ability to execute parallel tasks, significantly cutting down pipeline execution time by 25%. This efficiency boost is crucial for data engineering teams. Apache Airflow is highly extensible and integrates seamlessly with cloud services like AWS and GCP. This makes it an ideal choice for teams looking to leverage cloud capabilities. The platform is particularly well-suited for data engineering teams consisting of 3 to 10 members. Its flexibility and power make it a favorite among mid-sized teams. Let's compare traditional sequential task execution with Apache Airflow's parallel execution. The latter allows multiple tasks to run at the same time, reducing overall time significantly. Airflow's DAG structure allows for complex dependencies, which is essential for handling sophisticated workflows. This capability is a game changer for complex data pipeline management. Overall, Apache Airflow's robust features and cloud integration make it a top choice for data engineering teams aiming to streamline their workflow processes. Streamlit is an open-source app framework specifically designed for machine learning and data science projects. It allows developers to transform Python scripts into interactive web apps within minutes, drastically reducing the time needed to showcase a model from days to just a few hours. With Streamlit, you can create dynamic data visualizations that update live, making it ideal for projects that require rapid prototyping and iterative feedback. This feature is crucial for data scientists and developers who need to adjust their models based on real-time data. Imagine a scenario where a data scientist is able to tweak a machine learning model and instantly see the results reflected in a web app. Streamlit makes this possible, fostering a seamless and interactive development experience. Previously, creating a demo for a machine learning model could take days, involving complex web development skills. Streamlit reduces this time significantly, allowing for a demo to be prepared in just a few hours. Streamlit's ease of use and capability to provide immediate feedback makes it an invaluable tool in data-driven fields. Developers can iterate quickly, testing different scenarios without the need for extensive back-end coding. For data scientists, Streamlit is more than just a tool. It's a way to bridge the gap between data analysis and real-world application. Its ability to visualize data dynamically helps in making informed decisions faster. In summary, Streamlit empowers developers and data scientists to build and share their projects quickly and effectively, transforming the way models are demonstrated and refined. Integrating AI tools can significantly reduce the time it takes to deploy models, potentially saving up to 40% of integration time. This efficiency not only speeds up the process, but also enhances productivity across teams. Choosing the right tools depends on your team size and project complexity. It's crucial to align these tools with your specific needs to maximize their potential. A streamlined workflow from initial model training to deployment ensures that resources are used efficiently and effectively. This flow reduces the chances of errors and enhances collaboration. Imagine a team working seamlessly with these tools, each member contributing to a well-oiled machine. This integration fosters a collaborative environment, driving innovation forward. Ultimately, the power of integration lies in its ability to adapt and scale with your projects. As your needs grow, these tools provide the flexibility to expand capabilities without losing efficiency. The combined potential of these tools can transform how teams approach AI projects, making complex tasks more manageable and less time-consuming. Start by integrating DVC into your workflow to manage data and model versions efficiently, providing a solid foundation for scalable AI development. Throughout this video, we've explored how various tools contribute to a streamlined AI integration process, enhancing efficiency and collaboration. Integrating DVC can lay the groundwork for efficient AI workflows, making it a valuable starting point for any team.